everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it has literally been a year since my last video, but I got a lot of questions on my last couple of videos, which were my lock videos. Those lock videos seem to be some of my most popular videos, so I really wanted to come back and give you guys some answers to some of the questions that you were asking. So hopefully some of y'all are still around that was interested in my lock videos in the first place. I understand this video is very late. I wrote down some of the questions that I was most asked and just some stuff I've thrown in as well. So I'm just going to get right into it. As the question I asked in the title was, am I still locked? And as you can see, I am still locked. Next month will make a year and a half that I have been locked, and I have enjoyed every minute of it. Now, there have been a couple of times where I don't want to say I regret them, but I just wish I would have just got my own natural hair locked. But then I really think about the type of person I am and how I like to wear my hair and how I like to style my hair and how I like to look, and I knew that I would not have been happy with just the short natural locks. And I know everybody say you gotta enjoy your journey, and it's a journey, and getting lock extensions is a shortcut, but hey, it is what it is. You only live your life once, and I wanted long locks immediately, so that's what I got, the lock extensions. Who is my stylist? This has been one of the most asked questions on the two videos, and I was hesitant to answer at first because I just wanted to make sure that the stylist I was going to, you know, made me happy, took really good care of my hair and all that type of stuff before I just started giving out a bunch of information online, because I don't want nobody trying to say, oh, such and such did this and such did that. Some of you managed to figure out who the stylist was. I'm not exactly sure how you did that. Maybe you just know his work, or who knows. But the person who answered, or the people who mentioned it in the comments, was right. I went to Damian Walter here on YouTube, and he installed my locks at his salon here in Houston. So yes, Damian Walter, I'll link his information down below. He has a really big YouTube channel here on YouTube. Well, yeah, he has a really big channel here on YouTube, and he does all types of lock styles. He does lock extensions, natural locks, lock maintenance, dyeing locks, lock styles, just everything, anything locks. So yeah. Are they heavy? Now that my hair has grown the past year and a half, it's a lot longer, it doesn't feel any heavier at all. Now the one instance in which my hair really does feel heavy is when it gets wet. I haven't been in a pool yet, so I'm interested to see how that's going to work out. I got in a pool like a few years ago with box braids, and my hair didn't seem that heavy, and those are way heavier than these locks, so I think I should be okay. In the shower, they do feel pretty heavy though. Not anything crazy, but it is a significant difference. But after I wring them out and dry them off, it's all good. So another question is, how often do I wash my lock extensions? In the beginning, I really don't remember, but I believe the stylist said to wait 3 or 4 weeks to wash my hair. I don't think I made it that long. I think I ended up washing my hair at 2 weeks, and since then that's been pretty much the as far as I can wait until I need to wash my hair is 2 weeks. Other than that, I probably wash my hair every week. At most, I'll stretch it to every 2 weeks. The next question is, how often do I retwist my hair? Well, if you can see now, I'm not sure if you can, but my hair is pretty frizzy at the roots right now, and that's because I'm, you know, stretching out my retwist. Not for any reason in particular, I just don't feel like doing it, but I'm gonna do it because I don't want Damien coming for me, and I'm not gonna come in looking like homeless head. But yeah, it's coming up on 8 weeks, and I do plan on retwisting my hair in the next week. This is the longest I've ever been without retwisting my hair. Usually I retwist it every 4 to 6 weeks, but I had a lot going on this summer, so I didn't do it, and I've just been rocking the natural roots. Next question is, how many locks do I have? And 123 locks was installed. I'm not sure if I answered this question before, but 123 locks were installed. But I did merge one, so I have one double-headed dragon in my head somewhere here in the front. And it wasn't that it was thinning, it's just that here it is. It's just that when he installed it, I didn't like how thin this one was in the beginning, so I just merged them together. So as you can see, yeah, that's my double-headed dragon right there. And this is also, since I did this so early on, it's always a reminder of how long my natural lock is. So I don't ever plan on cutting it off until, you know, I go ahead and cut off the whole extension. Well, for all of them. Speaking of which, that also shows how long my natural hair is. Well, my natural locks start about right here. So this much is natural locks. And as you can see, it has been locking on its own. I don't know if I can get a little bit closer. I don't want to get too close because I need a retwist, but yeah. So as you can see, my hair has been locking as I retwist and maintain my hair. It's locking up on its own. Another question that I get asked a lot is, where did I get the hair for the lock extensions? And I did not purchase the hair myself. It was included in the price that I paid the stylist, and he provided the hair. So I don't know where he got the hair from, and I can't really give you the answer to that question. And one of the last questions I had brought up in my previous lock video was about my hair itching. It was like itching like crazy, and it doesn't do that anymore. That kind of went away around maybe a few months. Once the hair started to soften up and started to feel more natural, then the itching went away. So I don't have that anymore, thank goodness, because it was horrible. But sometimes this hair is a tad bit rougher than my natural hair, so I don't really like it rubbing up against my back because I have a really sensitive back. So yeah, that's the only time it makes like my skin itch. But other than that, no, I don't have the itching anymore for my hair. So those are all the questions. If you have any more questions, then definitely leave them down below and I'll try to answer them. I do want to make another lock video, depending on how this one does, if I get like a lot of responses. If you guys have any more questions. So the last thing is I want to show you my growth. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm going to pull a picture. I'll probably pull a picture from the day one when I first got my locks installed, and then I'll show you the growth from then to now. So I'm going to stand up and show you my hair. So yeah, as you can see, my hair has grown a lot. It's pretty much at bra strap. It's a little bit longer than bra strap length. So yeah, I just cannot wait for my hair to reach waist length, because then I'm going to be like, that's when I'm going to start getting my hair clipped, once it gets that long. But yeah, so that's all for this video. I just wanted to keep it short, answer a few of your questions, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.